Retail as a sector has seen tremendous change from the technology aspect, owing to proliferation of smartphones, rise in cloud infrastructure, and a strong logistics network which has been created in the last few years. Ideas which seemed far-fetched or failed before have become realistic and more here and now opportunity. And an organization's ability to leverage its existing core strengths like store footprint, product, brand, etc., with the help of technology to break into the new business models and engagement model will separate the leaders from the laggards. Key trend which I feel are relevant. First, connecting consumer experience. Keeping the consumer at the center means that the brand operates beyond channel silos in their own working, and moving from one channel to another seems like a connected experience for the consumers. Building direct to consumer and a strong backend and integration between the loyalty and point of sale systems are becoming eminently critical. Consumer is expecting an always available brand experience, and hence the use of augmented reality, virtual reality, video commerce and live streaming is getting accelerated. Leveraging influencers, building your own brand advocates are fast becoming the norm. Same reimagination is also happening in the in-store experience. Fashion industry, for example, is leading in terms of metaverse experiences for the consumers to experience the brand using NFTs and building product experiences virtually. Use of IoT, 4G and 5G are creating store of the future in the next frontier of unlocking consumer experience in the store. Consumer data management and creating an integrated intelligent operation backbone is critical. Use of AI/ML will be critical in making sense of the consumer data, driving efficiencies in spends and making insights more accessible and not just data. Use of drones is also evolving. They are finding their roles in warehouse management, last mile deliveries, and even monitoring supplies and, for example, crops and harvests, etc. Currently, metaverse usage has been focused around enabling brand experiences. Consumers can now experience the brand in metaverse and get a personalized and up-close time with the product and brand without necessarily going to the stores. Metaverse is trying to bridge a critical gap in the digital commerce world, which is product experience. Brands are next bringing their buyers and sellers on the same platform to enable a seamless commerce for categories which are more involved. Brand merchandise is also finding its space in this world via NFTs. Some of these NFTs can translate into offline world experiences as well. Success will be when brands are able to weave a metaverse-led journey back to the offline world seamlessly and symbiotically. Scale will be the next big factor in metaverse adoption, and hence I feel strongly that commerce via metaverse will be a strong use case. Influence of social commerce and influencers have been spoken at length. Core insight is around relatability of the brand, and that is where influencers play a strong role. It also means that consumers expect the brand to have a conversation about their needs specifically. This can't be done via traditional commercials and ATL spends. Live streaming is enabling brands to talk specific need gaps by leveraging brand advocates who consumers can relate to. In China, live streaming is growing at 3 times the pace of e-commerce overall. Another role of live stream and video commerce is really to minimize the gap between trigger and gratification. Consumers of today are consuming content at an unimaginable rate, and hence a long gap between the trigger and an actual purchase allows some other brands to come in. In categories like beauty, food, apparel, video commerce enables consumers to indulge in the commerce at the time of consuming the content. There are several technology solutions to enable this commerce. Brands can leverage their offline brand consultants, influencers, and celebrity tie-ups to create content for their consumers at scale and reach them via these new commerce models. There are 4 key parts of creating a strong DTC and omni-channel strategy. First is about building a differentiated value proposition in terms of portfolio, pricing, and service. It is key to building a repeatable DTC business. The entire experience is also a key part of the entire value proposition. Ease of usage, accessibility, delivery experience, and service experience are all critical components. Second part is about acquiring consumers efficiently. Having a clear first-party data strategy is important, and its use in day-to-day campaign management and optimization is of utmost importance as well. A good execution can unlock a very significant value out of the entire marketing spends. Third is about robust and agile delivery and service experience. Leveraging offline footprint as well as the ecosystem partners can help brands overcome their inherent challenges in this area. Finally, the underlying technology and data architecture. Brands must recognize that the choices has to be made in context of the business, scale, and avenues of growth. Hence, a prudent balance between total cost of ownership and features have to be maintained while constructing a scalable architecture which allows for future development and growth.